Hey guys and girls, welcome back to another beautiful video on the beautiful channel, beautiful day. Like usual, as always, I just have to went through some crap today, but I'm still on. I'm still live. I'm still working. I'm still powered on. But I just have to say that I was yesterday. I had some issues with the game. Actually, I had a bunch of bugs and stuff, and I really wanted to fix. We also have a bug with the bullet for enemy. It goes faster and slower depending on which way the enemy is going and stuff. So I think I know what the problem is. But yeah, we'll figure that out in a little bit. Yeah, so I had a bunch of bugs, and how am I gonna do? Let's also change this in enemy. In the function update. In shoot, I changed some values for the bullet to actually travel. Initial velocity, and acceleration. Normalize look direction. That's fine. So I'm just gonna wait. Excuse me, guys. I'm not in the energy I used to be. I'm used to being in. I'm just kind of low. But we're gonna fix this shit. I'm gonna tell you guys exactly where the problem was. In player, I did change something here. I changed the acceleration to 0.8, stabilizer force to 0.3. That's just the deceleration, basically. Change that. Nothing else really, I think, in particle, anything else. The good thing is I can see a little bit here what I changed. Now, this is from yesterday, I think. I had the shield bar and everything. Enemy. I just looked at these. Just give me a second, guys and girls. I'm gonna check out exactly what we did. Get player follow number, get position is dead, HP max, get damage. We fixed all this together, I think. Fix that. Let me see. So that's good. Player.h, that's fine. Whatever. Nothing special here. In enemy, did I change anything else than that? I think that was it. Game, here we go. I changed this, so I added some stuff here. I added right ship, shield bar. I mean, this is stuff you can just copy from GitHub. I did change a lot of stuff in these now. Now, what I did, I added 2 booleans. For example, let's start with upgrades update. I added 2 booleans, upgrade removed. So this is the trick I'm using. This is what works. Now, in every for loop where I'm going to remove something, I'm going to do it all the way at the end of that for loop. I'm not going to do it somewhere in the middle and then do a return, because that broke everything. That caused a lot of bugs. So this is always going to work, I think. So what we're going to do is you make a upgrade removed. It's only for this upgrade for loop. Add this here. While it's not removed, you loop. And everywhere where something happens where I can remove the upgrade, I'm going to remove it. Alright, I'm just going to set it to true. And I'm not going to remove it right now. It's just going to be set to true. And then I can check that everywhere. If it's not true, do this and stuff like that. And all the way at the bottom here, upgrade removed equals true after picking it up, no matter what. And then here, if you can delete it, upgrade remove true as well. And all the way at the bottom of the for loop, if it's through everything ready to be removed, it will be removed. That means we can use it throughout the whole thing and remove it at the end of the loop. Okay, so that is the way we're working with everything we've done, and I'm going to show you everything. I added this as well. This is new, so let me show you this clearly here. The for loop in players, the upgrade, I check the collision, of course, and then I see, like, if it's a 0 or 1, we don't want to put it into our array in the player where we keep everything that is been picked up, right? Everything of value. Now 0 and 1 aren't of value because they're just stat point upgrades and health pack upgrades, and they will be dropped unlimitedly. So as soon, then we'll go through the players upgrades, the ones they already have. Now imagine the scenario where you kill 2 enemies at the same time, they drop the same upgrade at the same time. Now what would happen without this would be we'd put that upgrade in the players get acquired upgrades or acquired upgrades twice. okay, twice, and that would be a big problem. We don't want that to happen because it will stop other upgrades from being dropped. So as soon as it's picked up, the player will get it in its acquired upgrades, because we'll check through the whole array, alright, and has upgrade. Okay, we have that boolean up here as well, has upgrade, because we'll check if that player has that upgrade already, then we'll set it to true. Okay, and if it doesn't, we'll add it into the get acquired upgrades, or the acquired upgrades thing. Okay, then we have our regular switch case with everything. I haven't changed anything here. Upgrades removed, this whole thing. And I recommend you really to go to GitHub and write, like, directly just go to GitHub and update the code, and then you'll see what I changed in changes, and you can see, I mean, I didn't change anything big. It's basically just this. Now, pickups removed, I haven't done that yet. I can show you how to do that here. If I make a boolean up here called bool pickup removed equals false, because it's not removed from start, it will loop while it's not removed. Okay, while it's not removed, let's do stuff. Now let's see everywhere where I remove a pickup. Get collision, HP max. I'm not doing it here, blah blah blah. Missile, pickup start remove here. So instead of doing this, I'm just gonna do pickup removed equals true. Okay, pickup removed equals true, and then at the end of the for loop, I'm just gonna do, because this is the for loop, I'm just gonna do if pickup removed equals true, then this pickups dot remove, what was it, I, just like that. Okay, now instead of it's true, I'll just do this because it looks cleaner. So that's the way we do it. That's the way we do it. It will, everywhere where it's supposed to be removed, we'll just set that boolean to true, and as soon as it's true, it'll be removed, and it can't loop through again because it's been removed, and it will restart the loop by itself. We don't have to use a bunch of returns and all that crap. We'll do the same thing in here. Bool text tag removed equals false, and text tag removed get timer text tag removed equals true. Okay, and at the end of the loop, if text tag removed, this text tags dot remove at position I. So this is a little safer than using return, and it's a much better way to do it. Now let's go into enemy update. The same thing here, enemy removed, player killed. Okay, while enemy is not removed, I'll update the enemy. While player is not killed, this should be player removed as well, but since we don't remove the player, we just set him to dead, I used this word instead of removed. But the same thing here, the same principle. In the for loop, we use that. We go everywhere we want to kill the player or do something with the enemy. We're going to, here instead of doing removed, we're going to do this, because this is the end of the player for loop. This is the end of the enemy for loop. Here we actually remove the enemy at the end. The same thing for bullets. Bullet removed, I reuse player killed now. Bullet removed, player killed. Go in here. Exact same thing. Bullet removed, true. Player's alive. Then I can reuse this right here. Bullet removed, true. And in the end, if it is, we just remove it. So I hope you understand this, guys and girls. I really do. I really do. Now I'm going to take this, and I'm going to do this. This enemy bullet update dt, and in enemy bullet update I'm going to paste this, so it's going to be a little easier for us to handle everything, and we can make a new boolean player killed. It's going to be a little easier to handle. Player bullet update, enemy removed, bullet removed, same thing, exact same thing. I hope you guys are kind of getting the whole idea what I'm trying to do here. And I never do any returns, I just set it to enemy removed or bullet removed, and if it is, then it is. You know what I mean? That's how it works. So that's just the way it works. Now let me see which one was first. Bullets was first, enemy. Okay, so that was correct. Player update. Nothing here because we don't remove anything. Well, paused. Nothing. Nothing. So I think that's about it for all of this stuff. Update, particles update. Yeah, here we go. Okay, so same thing. Bool particle removed false, and then particle removed, because then we don't have to use this whole return thing. I hate that. So particle, let me just copy paste that. Particle removed equals true. And at the end of the for loop, if this, no, particle removed. Okay, that's how easy it is. That's how easy it should be. Hopefully. In update, there's no problem. Draw enemy player. Okay, whatever. So if we run this now, we shouldn't have a big issue. Okay, so this is just a little update video for you guys to see how shit works. See, all the text tags, everything's working. Now I don't want to eat my words because it might crash still, but that's working. Pickups are working. Now the player is kind of floating around a lot more because I added that whole acceleration thingy, and the deceleration is less. Did I find a shield? Nope. There we go. That's a shield. So now everything else is working, you know? Just the way it should be. Okay, I do want to make a kind of not a boss, but a mini boss enemy later as well. We were working with boss a little bit. We were working with everything. So I just want to see how everything works. That's why I'm playing this a little longer now. I'm sorry I've been making weird videos where I just play the game and I don't talk. But it's just because I want to test for bugs and stuff like that. And I should do that on my own time, but still, I'm liking this. So yeah, this is good. Everything is working. All the particles are working. I'm getting hit stuff. Now I just want to die once. I want to see if any issues. I hope you've been following me on all the videos, but if you haven't, again, go to GitHub and just update the code and try to follow me as much as you can. Okay, so if I restart, we have our character back. Everything is good. The other character can shoot as well. No issues. Everything is good. Alright, guys and girls, it seems like I have to end it because somebody's calling me. But yeah, I'll talk to you guys in the next video. That's about it for this one. Just a little update. So take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Alright? Bye-bye.